The real number system consisted of R, the addition operation, the multiplication operation, and the less than or equal to binary relation, plus a number of axioms. The binary relation allows any two real numbers, a and b, to be compared, and a less than equal to b is always true or false. For example, 4 less than equal to 4 is true, 4 less than equal to 6 is true, while 6 less than equal to 4 is false. The binary relation less than or equal to on R is fundamental. Its existence is assumed. There are several axioms related to the binary relation, but they will not be discussed in this lecture. Instead, we will discuss 3 other binary relations that can be derived from less than or equal to. We begin with less than. By a less than b, or a is strictly less than b, which means the same thing, we mean that a is less than or equal to b and a is not equal to b. So while 4 less than equal to 4 is true, 4 less than 4 is false. We also have 2 inequalities with opposite directions. A is greater than or equal to b, and a is strictly greater than b. A greater than or equal to b is true if and only if b is less than or equal to a. And a is greater than b. This is true if and only if b is less than a. We need to take one of these inequalities as a fundamental binary relation included in the real number system, while the other 3 can be derived from this one. However, which inequality we take as fundamental doesn't really matter. From the inequalities, we can define what we mean by positive and negative numbers. We say that a is a positive number if it's strictly greater than 0. And we say that a is a negative number if it's strictly less than 0. If a real number a is greater than or equal to 0, we say that a is a non-negative number.